you know what interior architecture is?
I think I do, yeah. So designing like spaces.
I could guess, but to be honest, not really.
Interior architecture. I think so. I'd like to think I do. So when you just do like decorations for the inside, for how the layout of the inside of the building is?
Building stuff on the inside of buildings?
Yeah, I'd say like that's the designing like the walls and the layout.
Do you know what product design is?
I'm guessing kind of working with products and developing what they will look like in the market.
Don't know enough about it to talk about
A friend of mine, designed like a nail dryer. So yeah, like lots of products, like I don't know, maybe made out of plastic or wood or like things you could buy at retail stores. So.
Do you know what the interior architecture and product design program is here at K-State?
I have no idea. No, I would like to know.
You do?
it. A little bit.
What do you know about it?
I have some friends that are in it.
Okay.
They've created a lot of cool things.
That's good.
I know that one of my friends created a chicken coop
Okay.
once, so that was cool.
I don't know.
You're in a lot.
Woodworking?
Yeah, like working in the shop a lot. I know you're in like a studio for a lot of the time. I don't know. It's a lot of like, is it a lot of like computer drafting and stuff? That's what I think of.
Interior architecture and product design is unique in the country, and that is largely because the strength of our focus is the intertwining of a number of areas that allows students to then have multiple lenses to view problems, from a very minute scale to the very large scale.
What is interior architecture?
I think interior architecture is everything that you can affect on the inside of a building.
I would think interior architecture obviously is inside a building or structure, but I think it takes a step further than just regular interior design, in the fact that you guys can actually build, I guess, or actually put up walls and actually like build within that building and actually consider the structure of it inside as well as outside. So
How about product design?
Product design is using the principles of architecture to create items and useful things throughout our world.
Product design, well, I think product design is basically industrial design, which is the design of small-scale objects that humans use on an everyday basis. I think that industrial design might deal with more with mass-producing items, and product design more of kind of theory of, or more conceptual products.
So this design and making are really what signify the strength of our program, the intertwining, the design, the making, the strength of the intellectual quality associated with the strength of the understanding of how to actually construct and make each individual portion of a product.
What do you know about the interior architecture and product design program? Like projects or general ideas?
I know that Kevin O'Connor is in it, the program. I know that it's on the second floor mostly, but I think also in Seton Court. I see a lot of chairs, a lot of different benches and kinds of seating being produced.
Well, I think it's good because they're kind of specialists in things that as far as we're like generalists in the whole building. Interior architects focus a lot more on kind of the human side of things. We're looking at how they move around in an actual space, how furniture works, how layouts and stuff of offices work, and more specific stuff that we need expertise in.
I know that there's some really awesome people in it, and I know that it is nationally ranked high up, I believe top 10, correct? Number 7, okay.
I was wondering if you knew anything about interior architecture.
I don't.
Nothing at all?
Nada.
Any guess of what it might be?
Nope.
We didn't even get it.
That's breaking shop safety protocol.